What if I told you that right now, your family is just one unexpected event away from facing years of legal battles, thousands in unnecessary expenses, and painful conflicts that could tear them apart? I'm not saying this to frighten you. I'm saying it because I've witnessed it happen to families just like yours who thought they had plenty of time to get their affairs in order. Imagine this: everything you've spent a lifetime building, your home, your car, your savings, your legacy, stuck in limbo for years while courts decide how it's distributed. Strangers make decisions about your health care, and up to 5 to 8% of everything you own vanishes into legal fees and court costs. This isn't a worst-case scenario. It's the reality for 67% of Americans who fail to create a proper estate plan. My name is Ted Gudorf, a board-certified estate planning attorney with over 35 years of experience. I've dedicated my career to protecting families like yours. At Gudorf Law Group, we've created more than 5,000 estate plans, each one custom designed to shield our clients' assets and preserve their legacies. I've witnessed firsthand the profound difference between families forced through the probate system and those who took action beforehand. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the exact blueprint that has helped thousands of our clients secure their future, protect their assets, and provide their loved ones with immediate access to what they need, without courts, without delays, and without unnecessary expenses. Let me share a quick story about James and Sarah. They were in their mid-50s, owned a modest home, had some retirement savings, and 2 adult children. They always meant to get around to estate planning, but never did. When James unexpectedly passed away, Sarah was devastated to learn that their jointly owned home had to go through probate because it was owned as what we call in the law tenants in common. Their children disagreed about how assets should be divided. Medical decisions became complicated, and nearly 8% of their estate was consumed by court costs and attorney fees. The process took over 2 years to resolve, creating stress during an already difficult time. Contrast that with Mike and Linda, who came to us for a comprehensive estate plan. When Michael passed away, Linda had immediate access to all their accounts. Their children received specific inheritances, protected from creditors and divorces, and the family home transferred smoothly without court involvement. The entire process was handled privately, efficiently, and according to their exact wishes with no court involvement. You might be thinking, but I have a will. Isn't that enough? Unfortunately, a will alone guarantees probate. That's right. A will is essentially instructions for the probate court, not a way to avoid it. And probate means public records, court supervision over changing the title of assets, and potential delays of 1, 2, or even longer years, and costs that can consume 5 to 8% of your estate's entire value. The good news is that there's a better way. Through proper estate planning, you can, first, avoid probate entirely in the event of incapacity or death, keeping your affairs private and saving your family time, stress, and money. Second, protect your assets from potential creditors, lawsuits, and nursing home expenses. Third, ensure your health care wishes are honored if you become incapacitated. And fourth, protect inheritances for your children and grandchildren from their divorces, their creditors, lawsuits, and poor financial decisions. Our comprehensive estate planning approach centers around 3 key planning strategies that work together to protect you and your family. The first is a revocable living trust. Unlike a will, a properly funded trust allows your assets to pass directly to your beneficiaries without any probate court involvement. It works during your lifetime if you become disabled and continues seamlessly after your passing. Most importantly, it keeps your affairs private and gives you complete control over who gets what, when, and how. The second critical component are powers of attorney, one for healthcare and the other for finances. These documents ensure someone you trust can make medical and financial decisions if you're unable to do so. Without these, your family might need to petition for a guardianship, an expensive public probate court process that removes your ability to choose who makes these crucial decisions. The third element is proper asset alignment, ensuring everything you own is correctly titled to work with your trust. This often overlooked step is what makes your plan actually function as intended. Oftentimes, I refer to it as the key to an effective estate plan. Now, you might be wondering how this applies to you. Many people believe estate planning is only for the wealthy. That's simply not true. If you own a home, have retirement accounts, or want to protect your loved ones from unnecessary stress and expense, comprehensive estate planning is essential. Others think I'm too young to worry about this. Unfortunately, incapacity or death, as we all know, can happen at any age. Having a plan in place is about responsibility and caring for those who depend on you, regardless of your age. Some worry about the cost. Consider this. The average probate process costs between 5 and 8% of your estate's value. So for a modest $500,000 estate, that's $25,000 to $40,000. Far more than the cost of proper planning. More importantly, what price would you put on your family's peace of mind during a difficult time? I've helped thousands of clients from all walks of life create customized estate plans that protect what matters most. Like Robert, who wanted to ensure his special needs daughter will be cared for without losing her government benefits. Or Maria, a widow who needed to protect her home from potential nursing home costs while ensuring it passed to her children. Or John and Patricia, who wanted to make sure their blended family would be treated fairly and avoid potential conflicts. Imagine the peace of mind that comes from knowing everything is in order. Your assets will transfer smoothly to your loved ones. Your healthcare wishes will be honored. Your children's inheritances will be protected. And your family won't face the stress or the expense and public exposure of probate court during their time of grief. If you are ready to protect your family's future, here's what happens next. Simply click the button below to schedule your personal estate planning session. During this comprehensive 90-minute meeting, we'll discuss your specific situation, goals, and concerns. We'll explain your options in plain English and help you understand the best approach for your unique circumstances. As a special bonus for those who schedule today, you'll receive our estate planning guidebook absolutely free. This valuable resource helps you prepare for your session and understand the key decisions you'll need to make. The choice is clear. Continue leaving your family's future to chance, or take control today with a comprehensive estate plan that protects everything you've worked for. Remember, the time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining. Don't wait until it's too late. Your family deserves the protection and peace of mind that comes from proper planning. Click the button below now to schedule your personal estate planning session. I look forward to helping you secure your legacy and your family's future. Thank you for taking this important first step forward toward protecting what matters most.